What is the step-by-step process to file for divorce in New Jersey?
The step-by-step process to file for divorce in New Jersey starts with a complaint for divorce. One party has to file a complaint alleging a grounds for divorce. Once that complaint is filed, it is then served on the other party. The other party accepts service or is deemed to have been served through a legal process, and then they must file an answer within a specified time period. Once they file an answer, the divorce process is opened. If they have filed a counterclaim for divorce, meaning they are also asserting a grounds for divorce, the original filing party does get to reply. From there, both parties must file financial information with the court in order to verify what comprises the marital estate. That includes your assets, your liabilities, and incomes of both parties. If issues regarding children are at play, there will be a custody and parenting time mediation process scheduled early on in your process. But also, your economic issues will also be subject to mediation. At some point you go to court, you will have to submit to early settlement panel. That means ultimately you have to tell the court how you would like your divorce to be resolved, what you consider to be fair and appropriate for both sides. And if you don't resolve it there, you're going to have a series of settlement conferences before you have a trial. That is generally what happens step by step to get divorced in New Jersey, but at any point in time, either party may propose a settlement to the other. If a settlement is reached, both parties agree, you can ask the court to proceed with an uncontested divorce, meaning you simply go into court, you have a legal process, and that process gets you divorced pursuant to the terms of your agreement.